Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Oh my god, I don't think I could last another second of that. Okay, I'm here. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Something happened and it didn't do the thing and I'd never appeared, I guess. But I am here. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Few minutes late. I was having some fun conversations and I had to jump as fast as I could here. What is, you know, and the conversations that I've had, it always gets you thinking, what is happening with the market? Is crypto safe where I have it right now? Why is CZ saying all this shade at Coinbase that we talked about yesterday? Right? AJ 84, good evening. Don't forget to smoke that like button and subscribe. Absolutely, Anthony. Thank you. Wesley Daniels, nice to see you, buddy. Unfortunately, we couldn't meet, but next time I'm sure we will. What's going on? But yes, it's been quite an interesting day. I've been in meetings like crazy. It's barely time to breathe these days. Couldn't even get to the gym. Let me share my screen. So overall, market doing great. I know we're waiting for some type of rally. We are above 800 billion. Happy to see that. We looked at the global market caps as a whole, and it is important, right? Because market cap tells us how much money's coming in, and it's really market cap dominance. And we know Bitcoin holds a lot of that. So I was quite happy to see we're up. It only happened just a while ago. We were dumping for a little bit. Seems like a small relief coming in. Quite impressed. Now BNB. Oh yeah, BNB guys, 11% up today. Like what is going on, right? What was the other one? Litecoin, 10%, 30% overall. We were talking about Litecoin in that stream. Like what is like? Come on, and of course our boy Dogecoin, let's go. So you guys do know I did find entry point into Dogecoin multiple times, once at 7 cents, another time at 12 cents. My average was right around 9 cents, 10 cents. So still in the red technically, but very happy to ride this pump out. And the MAs did cross over, right? The moving average 200 crossed over as the moving average 50 was coming up, which usually indicates a bull flag. So quite intrigued to see where that goes. USDC for the win over the last 5 months. Let's go. USDC holders, diamond hands. Glad to see. Glad to see. And I know Tether's getting shaken up. I did go back, research it. I watched Rodney from My Crypto Journey stream today, also dive into it a little bit. So shout out to him. And not still, I'm still not shaken up enough about Tether that I feel like something horrible is going to happen. Because, but yet again, we've seen, we've seen it before. We've seen it before. Crow, ah, I don't know about Crow, man. It's now okay. It did actually get past 30. Okay, so we're at 29 for Crow at 6 cents. So we're going up. What's up, wifey? Nice to see you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Just checking out the markets and seeing really what's going on. And unfortunately, all the ones that I don't have seem to be the ones that are pumping. God dang it. I feel like I just never hold on to BNB. The only reason I buy BNB is to buy DGen tokens. And I never actually hold on to BNB long term. But imagine if I did, should I be doing that now so that way when the bull market comes in, BNB is at like freaking 1,000 a piece, you know? That's a great return of investment. That's a great return of investment. That's literally what we're looking at. What is the next crypto I need to acquire so I can get a Lambo in the future? I don't care. I don't care if I'm too old for a Lambo. I still want it. It's my show. It's my showroom Lambo. Oh my god, I have so many Lambos now that I can just play with. It's very fun. This is my Hot Wheels Lambo, as you guys know. Bought it somewhere for $5. Gonna be an avid collector. Never gonna open the box in 20 years. The value will probably be $5.15, but I have it. No one else can say they have an unopened Hot Wheels from 2022. What about Shinja? Is it a bad idea? I have not. I usually do not look at the Shibnobi chart during the stream. This is a conflict of interest, but absolutely do your own research. Figure out if you find there is a good entry point in, grab it. If you find there is no good entry point in, you find a good entry point in. Lambos for Christmas, dude. Lambos for Christmas. You think what bull market coming in for Christmas, bro? It's from Target for only $2. Oh, embarrassing. My wife corrected me. It's from Target for only $2, so it's going up. One day we're all gonna have Lambos. We're gonna do the Lambo meetup. It'll be great. Yeah, that was pretty much the highlights of the market. I didn't see anything else. Truly, I still don't know what Who Boy token is. One day we'll look at it and it'll be great, but not today. I don't really pay attention to anything else. Let me see. Yeah, helium I run the miner, as you guys know. All right, so very fun article on CoinDesk, mansplaining your way through crypto crash at Thanksgiving. So Thanksgiving is happening for my US audience that are viewing it. Welcome. For those that don't know, it is a feast that happens in the United States, honoring I, uh, the politics of the holiday are for another discussion, but there is this thing that happens, and families come together and they eat meals and they do things, right? So in this, what the article was talking about was finding the right way to explain crypto so you don't sound like one of those crazy things, because you're gonna have all kinds of people that come to the table, right? When you have a family gathering, you're gonna have your aunt and uncle that believe in the conspiracy theories, and they're all like, hey, we never went to the moon, this never happened, right? Whatever it may be. And then you're gonna have the other side that's be like, no, that's a lie, I was alive, I saw we made it to the moon, I was there with my own visual eyes listening, whatever it may be, right? But at the same time, you'll have the crypto people, and we kind of fall into that same risky category, whether you want to believe it or not. Crypto is not mass adopted. You're like 10% in for mass adoption on crypto, right? So you're gonna come to this table. Just imagine, like, I know we're all crypto enthusiasts, Triple G's, Ganja Goons gang. We're strong. We know what's going on, but we're gonna come to this table, and without sounding crazy, right? Without sounding crazy, you're like, oh yes, you need to get into crypto now. The markets hit the bottom. Things are gonna only get better. Yeah, imagine how difficult it's gonna be explaining this to your family that's looking at you, that's watched you lose 90% of your portfolio, whatever it may be, and you're still shilling them crypto in the market. They look at you, they're like, dude, this guy's crazy. He's lost 80% of his value, his things down this much, and this guy's still shilling me crypto. And I say, guys that are with you and it's still doing that, great job. All honor goes to you. You're doing great for the crypto community. Keep shilling crypto to your family members. But for those that don't want to sound crazy and be that inside hidden crypto millionaire where no one knows you are a crypto millionaire, come on, guys. We need mass adoption. We need you to go out there, tell your family members, get them all in, not into DeFi, but potentially at least make them download, a simple app, Coinbase, Binance US, whoever you want to trust, whatever exchange, right? And then you realize, wait a second, at this family table, I can't show them any exchange. I can't show them any app. I don't even know myself if this exchange is gonna last or be here, next year. So this is the whole topic of the thing. Where is it safe? How are you now gonna navigate this conversation of mansplaining your way? Getting all your family and guys, it's the next best thing. We're gonna wait. I'm missing comments here. Let me see. Absolutely, Shinja, long-term play, but not financial advice. Absolutely, not financial advice. The Earth is flat. Let's go. The Earth is flat. What's up, Tony? Tony, what's going on? Yup, that's my fam, pretty much. Yeah, that's basically you're gonna have like the grandmas that are like, oh man, back when I used to run Thanksgiving, I did it this way and that way, and my meal came out better than yours. And then you're going to have the other side of the table talking about conspiracies. You're going to have the other side of the table talking about crypto. And you got to somehow manhandle this entire conversation. Your position at this table as a crypto investor, you're staring down, you're looking at your entire offspring or your genetics, in the same genealogy as you. And you go, dude, I have $1 million idea. How do I explain it without sounding crazy to the masses? And that's the problem. That's the problem. As soon as you try to explain crypto to somebody, they think you're crazy. It's almost like you need to sit down with them, handhold them, be like, everything's going to be all right. This is the proper way to get in. There is this Shibnobi cold wallet that you can buy. You can use your biometric. It's got the fingerprint in there. You can store your crypto in there. There's a Ledger Nano X, whatever it may be. You need it now adds even more heaviness. It's even harder. Red Sox, you're late. Red Sox, you're late. Class dismissed. Red Sox, you can go. I'm sorry. But it's gonna be hilarious, right? So now you're at the family table, you see everybody. You're literally looking at everybody. They're all having their conversations, conspiracies on one side, grandma being upset at the way the family's turning out and how she ran it better back when she was in her prime. And then you have young you, that's like, I have the next $1 million head. The entire family could make millions. They just need to get into this now. But even you don't know for certainty whether your crypto is safe in exchange, whether your crypto is safe in a ledger. To be honest, there could be a program that sniffs your ledger as soon as you plug it in to a computer. Boom, all your crypto is gone. This is a conversation Tequila Pete on Twitter and I have had publicly, and it is a plausible thing where 5 years down the line, is that hardware wallet still safe if there's a malicious program that sits on your computer just listening, waiting for you to plug in your hardware wallet? So there's always going to be this issue. So I don't want to steer anyone away from mansplaining their way through crypto. Shill it and to the best of your possibility as you can, but make sure I late too. Bryn Rex, it's okay. You still passed the test. We're gonna give you a pat on the back, buddy. Welcome. You got the Mercedes, updated that profile picture. We like to see it. But I like the article in the end. It did give out like some things to stay away from, right? Kim Kardashian boosted Ethereum max. Definitely don't chill them pump and dumps, guys. Don't be the celebrity influencer that gets them into your degen plays and then dumps on them. Don't be that guy. If there's a risk of that happening, do not chill them no DeFi token. Just try and make it simple for them. Try and get them at least into Ethereum, maybe Bitcoin. If you're looking to talk about something this Thanksgiving dinner, I think it'll be beneficial for the entire crypto industry as a whole. The more people that will sit down, because the people that are like, hey, I have this $1 million idea, and they don't think you're crazy and they're willing to listen, that's your hook right there. Go talk to those people. Even if it's not at the dinner table, talk it later. Be like, hey, this is how I would do it. Find me on Telegram, find me on Twitter. I'll send you some plays, whatever it may be. Help these guys out. Get them in. But even if the vision was, oh yeah, this is going to be another selling point. A lot of these tryhards are going to try and use FTX against you. Oh yeah, but you can't trust crypto. What about that Sam Bankman Fried thing? What happened with him? And it's like, grandma, simmer down. You don't even know. It's like you just see some random curly haired dude on the news, and you think all of a sudden, 30-year-olds are coming after your money. This is not how it works. You're gonna have to explain a lot of this to them. And I thought it was very well put, very great article. Happy about getting that from CoinDesk during this holiday. Very well put together. Let's see, what else did we see? U.S. senators demand Sam Bankman-Fried, FTX be held accountable to the fullest extent of the law. Oh boy. Oh, Elizabeth Warren, let's go. Oh man, I was reading some crazy thing that Elizabeth Warren's like what was it? Her crypto regulator person that wrote the law for her or something is Sam's father, right? And it's like, oh, interesting. Well, this changes a lot of things. There's some conspiracy theories going on over there. So definitely don't get into those during Thanksgiving. Let's keep it clean. Probably stay away from the FTX subject if they talk about it. High level, just be like, this guy used someone else's funds to say, wait, are wallets like MetaMask safe? Absolutely. Absolutely. Every wallet is safe till it gets compromised. Bro, just keep moving your money. Don't keep it in any one place. I at this point, I'm just transferring from wallet. If my money stays in something longer than 3 months, it's been in there way too long for my liking. Yes, I'm a schizo with crypto. I just can't do it. I don't know who to trust or what to trust. So I'm gonna keep it offline. 3 months seems to be like a good turnaround time for me to keep moving. Except for the tokens that have transfer fees. I have this wallet where it's for tokens that have transfer fees, and I just never move them. They just sit in that wallet. And I really diversified my wallets too. I have some wallets that are cold storage, and I have others that are like the MetaMask. I have the trust wallets and stuff. Literally, I'm just someone say cold wallets. I already said Crazy Man D, what's going on? Nice to see you, buddy. Nice to see you. I have a friend that took his 6,000 IRA contribution and invested in Dot and Link in January. And even as blue chips, they are worth about $675 right now. That's not good testimony for crypto. And that's exactly what you're going to deal with, because you're going to try and be there. We're still crypto enthusiasts. We're still watching the crypto guys on YouTube, and you're going to have your family members come up to you and be like, no, I know this guy, he lost 90%. He said he was a millionaire. Now he barely has 100K. You know, you're gonna have all these crazy things. Oh yeah, I had this one guy, he put in like $10,000. He went to some crazy website and now all his money's gone. You're gonna have all kinds of um things thrown at you. So be ready for it. Be ready. Just pull up in your Lambo for Thanksgiving dinner, and the crypto debate and argument is over. Exactly. Secret millionaires, let's go. What's going on, Crazy Man D? Nice to see you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Cryptos fly higher as U.S. Turkey Day holiday approaches. It'll be interesting because we got mass adoption coming. We got Black Friday where people spend money to buy things, right? Is crypto going to go up, or are people going to spend crypto, right? When you spend crypto, is that a buy or a sell? Sup. Bitcoin started. Actually, one of the things we haven't done is looked at Bitcoin chart and trading view. But let me check. Oh, ETH is dominating 4%. BNB 12.5. BNB, can you stop? Stop it. CZ, simmer down. All right, simmer down, CZ. We had enough. We know. You reign supreme. Dogecoin 4%. I'd still need Dogecoin up. We need to get Dogecoin back to 12. We got in at 7. Let's get it back to 12 cents. New floor. Work our way up. I'll be so happy. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. We're just slowly consolidating. We're slowly consolidating up. Oh man, this is gonna get reckless. I can see it happening. I mean, RSI still down here in the 40s. Yeah, when it comes, it will come. I tell the naysayers that FTX leveraged and then use the bubble example, and the ones left with utility are going to be the shit. I get into detail, but not here. Yes, Tony, you are probably explaining it the right way. And I've even had people try to explain Enron to me, and I'm like, bro, I worked for Accenture. Like, don't even explain Enron to me. Anderson Consulting is Accenture. Anderson Consulting was the backbone of Enron. It's everyone, all the tech was just rebranded. You know what happens in this industry? Even the .com industry, nothing happened to the devs. It's always the owners of the company. The devs just moved to different projects and continued making money because they didn't care about the companies. They just cared about delivering of the tech. And for FTX, it's literally not even about the technology, right? It's about saying the assets that they had, and in FTX positions, there's nowhere they can go, but the employees of FTX that are supporting it were still doing a real job. And they're gonna try and run FTX if they can. And if someone doesn't bail them out, and this is the end, this is the end. And that's really what it comes down to. Who's gonna be the one that bails out FTX? And it just doesn't feel like a conversation anyone at the dinner table is gonna understand. So I'm like, nah, we're good. So yeah, we're doing pretty good with Doge, as I said. Let's go check out BTC. Yeah, okay, still in the green. Pretty much market overall is up. We did see we're at 830 billion. Hopefully it continues to go in that direction. Triple bottom in. Let's go. One, two, three. Oh my god, that'd be hilarious. Let's see. I'm trying to actually um find, even if there would ever be an entry point into Bitcoin better than now, and still my only entry point is 14,000. I'm just like, I wouldn't even touch it at this point. If you got money to spend, all right, throw it in there. But if not, don't do anything till 14,000. And then once 14,000 hits, that's when we'll see how the market truly behaves, because we all know the bottom's not in. We don't know where the true bottom is. We're going to keep searching. Where is the bottom? Where's the bottom? Dude, how is Dogecoin doing so well right now? What is going on? FTX $1.29. FTX $1.29. FTT. Let me see this. Binance one. FTT. No. FTT. This one. No. I'm trying to find. What the heck is this? This looks horrible. Oh boy. That don't look good at all. FTT. Yeah, this is Luna Classic all over again. Now is this the floor, or can we go lower than $1.28? What if no one buys this exchange? What's gonna happen? Binance USD. Okay, so this is pegged with the BUSD still. So how are they trading this? Are they trading this? What's the price right now? $1.30, $1.28. Yeah, I think they are trading this. You traded? Yeah, they're trading. Sell. Technicals say what even tells you this technicals? What is this? Okay, relative strength index say buy. Exponential moving average. I tell you, everyone looks at moving averages, guys. Dude, moving averages move markets sometimes. So moving averages say strong sell. Dude, wait, so do you get these for everything? Wait, how do I go back? I just want to go back. Okay, thank you. Wait, so if I click on this, do I get a? Oh, nice. What is this? Okay, let's see. TradingView tells me Bitcoin is a strong sell according to the moving average. It's a sell with the overall summary. The oscillators, sell and buy. MACD. Oh, where are my MACD guys? Do you guys follow TA? Are there any indicators that you're like all about? Oh, and this is on the 1 day. Okay. Let's go for the 1 month. Strong sell. 1 minute. Okay, strong buy. We can become day traders on this thing, guys. Dude, imagine you just start buying. Oh, as soon as you go into 30 minutes, it turns sour. I'm sorry. I'm just so fascinated with trading view today. I did not know that was there. That is gonna be entertaining to watch throughout. That is hilarious. What about ETH? Let me guess. Strong buy? No, it actually doesn't say. Okay, not bad. Oh, buy on the oscillator. Neutral. Yeah, dude. Even these things can't even tell you what to do. The algorithms are wrong. The science is all wrong. The math don't add up. So how many times has the baby pooped immediately after her diaper was changed? Dude, that this has happened to me, or not to me. This has happened to my wife like 3 times today. No, I was working, so I don't get to change the diapers as much. But she's constantly changing them, and she'll be like all changed. She'll put the baby down on the bed, and then it's like I was like, oh my god, and she'll go right back to the changing table, change the diaper again. It gets crazy. It gets aggressive in there. This baby, she knows how to make her presence known, and it's by pooping, sleeping, crying, giggling, laughing, smiling. She does everything she can, but pooping is definitely the most active things. Oh my god. The only TA in crypto right now is the current news. Charts don't matter. Dude, the current news, there's nothing going on, dude. They're like the news is even boring. You're like, how long are we gonna talk about FTX? It's either at this point you either understand the FTX scenario or you don't understand. If you don't understand, then where have you been? Probably let's do some research. Wait, what's this? Market rep who transferred 10K Bitcoin from wallet linked to failed BTC exchange? There's a failed BTC exchange that had 10K Bitcoin. What the hell? And that's nothing compared to Mount Gox. Mount Gox is going to be the end. Wait, who is it? Did they actually tell you who it is, or did they just like clickbait article? Okay, a crypto wallet attributed to the BTC exchange that's been linked to the 2014 Mount Gox hack burst into life Wednesday with its largest transactions, sending a total of 10,000 Bitcoin worth around 165 to two unidentified recipients, according to CoinDesk's. Wow, even then, dude, that's the problem. How do you know? Doesn't matter. They know. They know where the money's going. As part of the transaction, which occurred around 8:38 UTC, a wallet that received 300 Bitcoin. Okay, so this also happened. 3,500 Bitcoin forwarded 300 Bitcoin to another destination. This was split further and landed in several wallets not attributed to any custodial service. Yeah, they're gonna move all this without taking it off the blockchain. Trust me, this is simple. This is easy. Mixers are coming back. You know what's happening? Um, the ability of crypto not being able to move these funds is limiting these guys from withdrawing the money. What happened to Strong, Teddy? What happened to Strong, Teddy? Nothing happened to Strong. Strong is still doing well. Yeah, I've recently had a conversation with him, and it seems like he's working on different things. I've heard he's got the YouTube channel. We should 100% go over there if you guys know. Wait, I totally forgot his YouTube. 1 second, let me bring it up just in case. Strong, don't hate me. I know he's got a YouTube channel. 1 second, I just gotta find it. It is this. Did it open? Did I get it? is this. I'll put it in the chat. Definitely go give him a subscribe. He's working on some things. I'm gonna be intrigued to see once the videos do come out. It'll be good. All right, so FTX pretty good. Wait, failed to send. Wait, oh, it's sent. Okay, yeah. Dude, there's nothing. There's nothing. And either you understand this or you don't understand this, right? All right, go back. Well, actually, one of the things we haven't done is Reddit cryptocurrency in a hot minute. Let's go check that out. All right, Sam Bankman-Fried conspired with SEC for special treatment. Oh yeah, really? Oh no way! I found out his dad's like writing the crypto regulation laws and stuff, and helping people derive like how to do it and regulate it properly and do all kinds of stuff. FTX collapse is not a crypto failure. It's a failure of centralized finance and the failure of Sam Bankman-Fried. Fried? Apple seeks film rights to Bankman-Fried's story. Let's go. Nano, dude, they're already making money. Apple's like, I see opportunity. I see opportunity. We're gonna buy the rights, whatever the rights are. A detailed explanation of what happened with CRV and AAVE. Ugh, ugh, ugh. I want to know what happened, but at the same time, I don't want to know what happened. Why? Ethereum whales accumulate $1 trillion worth of ETH. Just one. What? All right, wait. I go right to the comments. Let's buy all together so that whales can sell all they bought yesterday and obtain mad profits while we get surprised why all of a sudden we lost our measly. What? Dude, I don't know what you're saying. Create fear and buy. Okay, yeah. I did my part on this little run, guy. Small fish. Small fish. Small fish gang represent. Let's go. The rich get richer. Okay, so this article must just be talking about how whales just do stuff. Let's see. 1.85, 1.97, 1.89, 1.80. The largest Ethereum whale addresses are scooping up ETH at a rapid rate, according to top crypto analytics firm Sentiment. The firm notes that the whale address is holding between 10.9 million to 1.9 billion worth of Ethereum, gobbled up 1.3 billion worth of ETH in just one day. What, just from swing trading it? The active is the fifth largest single day add by the largest group of whales in the past year, according to Sentiment. E-trading 1,000 second Sentiment also knows Bitcoin's price. I don't understand. How did these guys gobble this up? So okay, so let me see. So they added ETH here at this price and it went up. They added it's the same wallets that added ETH and they got it at a steal. And they went up this much percentage in their overall. Okay, I understand now. Okay. Yeah, Bitcoin dropped. Okay, yeah. That's it. That's all this article said? Damn it, clickbait. Fell for you again. I think I'm ready to buy ETH. Okay, good. Good. I'm glad. Tornado Cash developer. Yeah, Tornado Cash developer Alexei Pertsev to stay detained until next year's hearing. Oh no. Detained Tornado Cash developer Alexei Pertsev will spend another 3 months in custody in the Netherlands, according to a court hearing held on November 22nd. The prosecution outlined broad overview investigation painting Pertsev a central figure in Tornado Cash's operation before advocate W.K. Cheng delivered his first defensive argument. Cheng highlighted several points outlining Tornado Cash's use cases and misconceptions around its functionality. How dare they use the blockchain for its intended purpose? How dare they? I'm disappointed about the decision from the court. We've tried to explain as clearly as possible what the standpoints are from the defense, Cheng told Cointelegraph after the preliminary hearing. The advocates confirmed The first session has been postponed. Oh my god, till February 20th. Just get it over with. The guy is not responsible. The guy is delivering a utility that is already being used in the space. Every single wallet that an exchange holds is doing the same thing Tornado Cash is doing. But when an exchange does it, it's different. But when someone does it in DeFi, it's an issue. This literally makes no sense. This literally makes no sense. How can you lock up this guy, right? Instead of locking up this guy, we need to lock up CZ. We need to lock up what's the other dude? The CEO of Coinbase. We need to lock all these guys up because they're basically doing the same thing. You know, you can't go after the owners of these projects and be like, you guys are the ones that caused this. There's not anything they're doing. You can have a wallet, which is what Tornado Cash is, right? It's a wallet, and it would take in only Ethereum. A bunch of Ethereum every day would come into this wallet. Tornado Cash would give you a note and be like, hey, for this, actually, let me go full screen just so I can explain this out, because I have a feeling not many people understand what Tornado Cash did, right? So, talking about this article, Tornado Cash is a program known as a mixer. What is a mixer? A mixer is a utility that privatizes your transactions and makes it difficult to follow in the blockchain. What that means is there's going to be a wallet, right? Shout out to Atlas Healthline. Uh, I'm holding one of your Delta 8 gummies here. And this wallet, it does nothing but take in one type of cryptocurrency. Let's say that crypto is an ETH, right? So every day people put all kinds of ETH into this wallet, right? They deposit it. And what Tornado Cash would do for anyone that deposited into this wallet is they go, hey, for those ETH that you deposited, here's a note. You bring this note back to us on our platform, we're going to give you back your ETH. And like this note can't be replicated. You can't have two notes that look that are the same. Someone else can't use your notes. Your note is independent to you, and that's how Tornado Cash did their utility, right? So now you come up to Tornado Cash, you got your note, you're like, I want my ETH. Now it's all in this mixer, right? And Tornado Cash goes, okay, this note, yep, looks legit. Here's your one ETH back, and now you go about your own way. The note's back. Everyone's nice and happy, right? But unfortunately, this was illegal. Doing this was illegal. Now, I ask you, let's say you are on a crypto exchange, right? How does a crypto exchange do a deposit? They generate a wallet for you. You deposit into those wallets. The crypto exchange gives you a note for what you deposited, right? And says, "Hey, this deposit that you've deposited is good. You can do whatever you want." And when you go to withdraw, right? Not necessarily does it come back from the same wallet you deposited into. In the crypto exchange world, a different I don't know what else I got here. I need more things. A different wallet could be used and now to give you back a withdrawal from a different wallet, which makes it harder to follow money when it goes into a centralized exchange. But why do people say that's okay? Because the governments are working with the centralized exchanges to be like, hey, now that it's in one of your wallets, who deposited it and which account did they withdraw it to? Now they know exactly where that money went. That crypto exchanges are doing the same exact thing as Tornado Cash, but we're not reprimanding them. The biggest issue for all of this was if the government wanted to snoop on what you were doing in the blockchain, that's not okay. That's not okay. The government has every right to snoop and they need to know everything you do. It is not your responsibility to tell them. It's their responsibility to have the ability to snoop. So they lock up this guy, right? For giving a utility that every crypto exchange already does. Like His code is open source, right? You can see what he's written. He had no malicious intent when this was done. And the thing is, there's mixers right now operating that people are using currently, and they go after Tornado Cash for these things. It just feels so improper to waste our time on this guy that literally um just wants to help continue keeping DeFi privacy enabled. Monero, the blockchain, does the same exact thing, and this is one of the reasons I know I've turned into a gigantic foundation shiller. I'm not even trying to be, but that's one of the things about Foundation Token that even ourselves we've looked at. Shout out to my Foundation crew. Foundation Token is in the same space as Tornado Cash, right? So I've joined their Telegram. I've listened to their AMA. I like everything that I've heard. There's a mixer coming in 2022 Q4, which is like in December, right? And they literally released that they're going to be on Palm and ETH and Hex. So here we go. So we got a lot of potential here. I'm very happy to see. And actually, in one of the latest updates they gave today, they said that some of the servers that they're looking at, the hosting provider or something, is they're working with them so they can make sure that government entities can't come in and shut them down like they did with Tornado Cash. Luckily, GitHub posted Tornado Cash's code back again, but this is quite a crazy thing to read, especially on Reddit, that these guys are going to keep this guy locked up for doing nothing but his what he wanted to do. Like he probably had no bad bone in his body, and that's the sad part. That's the sad part. Depressing. Wait, what time is it? It's 9:00. It's 9:00. What happened? Let me see here. Wait. FTX scenario. Investors enter room and bend over. Cell block C. Inmates enter room. Investors bend over. Inmates look at lube. Inmates ignore the lube. Inmates check investors' prostates, not with finger. Big A Armory. Stop it. Oh my God, no. Why? For some reason, I read this thing, and the first thing it was like, I recently watched the Dahmer on Netflix. Have you seen that? Quite interesting. The first episode really captures you. You're like, what the hell? What up, Teddy? Relax. I just want to take pictures. Lazy Jedi, nice to see you, buddy. What's going on? Chilling. Do want to remind everyone, smoke that like button. We've been going here for quite some time. Guys, tomorrow is Thanksgiving. I don't think I will be streaming tomorrow. I'm going to give you the day off. You don't have to see Teddy tomorrow. It's okay. You will be fine. I will try and be back Friday. If not Friday, I don't make it. Don't hate me. I'll be back Monday. I don't stream on the weekend, so you will miss me. I'm not going anywhere. I'm still here. Sifu sent a lot of crypto through Tornado Cash. They say he collapsed time. Duh. There's a lot of things with Tornado Cash, but it's fine. Completely happy with where I am. But guys, thanks for coming in. I'm gonna be back hopefully sometime this week. If not, I will see you next week. Hang in there. Markets right now looking okay, kind of greenish, but I'm gonna continue to monitor it. If I see a good exit point from Doge, I'll let you guys know some way, shape, or form, most likely on Twitter. And for those of you guys, a lot of you already talk to me. I keep up with most of my DMs, and you guys know how to reach me. So have a good holiday. Happy Thanksgiving for the U.S. guys. And we shall see you again relatively soon.